Why don't seniors mind having cheap cell phones? Because they are still trying to figure out why it's not rotary. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on cheap cell phones for seniors. Tip 1. Choose a prepaid plan. Prepaid plans allow seniors to have a phone without committing to a long-term contract. They pay for the service up front and can add more minutes or data as they need. This is ideal for seniors who don't use their phones very frequently. Tip 2. Consider a flip phone. Flip phones are not only simple and easy to use, they also tend to be a cheaper option. They usually come with larger buttons and screens for those who might have vision problems. Plus, they don't have the advanced features that often complicate the use of smartphones. Tip 3. Look for senior discounts. Many providers offer discounts on certain plans or devices for seniors. It might not be heavily advertised, so it's a good idea to ask about these deals when shopping around for a phone. Tip 4. Shop refurbished phones. Reputable electronics retailers often sell refurbished phones that come with warranties. These phones have been checked for defects, and any worn parts have been replaced. This is a great way to get a high-performing phone at a fraction of original cost. Tip 5. Look for phones with senior-friendly features. Some phones are designed specifically for seniors and come with features such as large buttons, easy-to-read screens, and emergency call buttons. These might cost a bit more, but could be worth the extra cost for the added convenience and safety. Tip 6. Opt for a no-frills phone. If your needs are minimal, consider getting a basic phone that only has call and text features. These phones are generally much cheaper and less complicated to use than smartphones. Tip 7. Consider a family plan. If other family members are already signed up for a plan, adding an additional line for a senior can be much cheaper than getting a standalone plan. Tip 8. Say no to unnecessary features and extras. You don't need to pay more for features you won't use. Before deciding on a phone, think about what you will actually use and choose a phone that suits those needs. Tip 9. Use comparison shopping sites. Websites like Wirefly and Whistleout can help you quickly compare prices and features of different phones and plans, ensuring that you get the best deal for your money. Tip 10. Consider using a voice over IP service. If you have access to Wi-Fi, using an application like Skype, WhatsApp or Viber to make calls or send messages can be a cheaper alternative to a traditional phone service. Tip 11. Don't rush into a decision. Take your time to do research, read reviews, and make sure you're choosing the best phone and plan for your needs and budget. The most expensive option isn't always the best one, especially if it offers more than what you'll use.